Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country Leamington Spa. Today we are at Broome House in the sought-after village of Leek Wootton, a few miles from the popular towns of Kenilworth, Warwick and Leamington Spa. This is a most amazing 5-bedroom, 5-bath, extensively modernised and extended family home with an impressive grand entrance hallway and separate large office and annex with 2 double garages. Please come with me to take a look inside at this immaculately presented home and beautiful landscape gardens. Thank you for watching a tour of the video, and if you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.